Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are installing FitGirl games in 2025, then follow these steps to avoid errors guys. Before opening the setup folder, you just need to check my video description for this video link. Just select the link and watch this video first to download the game correctly and avoid setup errors. And then you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security and click on open it. Select virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection and then just minimize this page and double click on the setup folder. Double click on the setup and select yes. Select OK option. Select this music icon to mute the music. And if you have under 8 GB RAM, then check mark this box guys, limit installer to 2 GB of RAM usage, and then select next option. Make sure nothing is running in the background and select next. Select the browse option and select the location where you want to save this game and select next. Check all these and select the install option. After the game installation done, open up the Windows security we minimized before. Scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder. Navigate to the game folder where you saved. I saved in C drive games and here is the game folder. After selecting it, select folder option. And now the game has been added to this list. Go back and turn on the real-time protection. Then just minimize this page and uncheck this option guys. Open this site, redirect to the site and select finish option. As you can see all files are okay. There is no missing or bad files found. Just to close stuff here and install the DirectX and Visual C++. And as you can see the game opens up without having any problem. And you will never face any problem related to the game guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.